For many of us, our homes have become our offices over the past few years. Working from home can be comfortable and convenient, but it also needs to be secure. Remember, every device you use for work, your computer, your tablet, even your router, could be vulnerable to cyber threats. That's why it's important to install robust security protection on all devices used by you and your team. And don't forget about a VPN, or virtual private network. It's like a secret tunnel for your data, keeping it hidden from prying eyes. Use long, randomly generated passwords unique to each application and store them in a password manager. Lastly, always be cautious when opening emails or clicking on links. Cybercriminals often use fake emails to trick you into revealing sensitive information. This is known as a phishing attack. We can help turn your team's home offices into very safe places to work. Get in touch.